नैयर साहब की आवाज़ ने, नैयर साहब के अल्फाज ने, नैयर साहब के ख्यालात ने आप लोगों को दूसरी दुनिया में पहुंचा दिया और मैं फिर लौटा के आपको इसी दुनिया में लाऊंगी। मैं समझी थी कि गोपाल कृष्ण गांधी जी अंग्रेजी ही में बोलेंगे, मगर बाद में पता चला कि गोपाल कृष्ण जी तो हिंदी, हिंदुस्तानी और अंग्रेजी तीनों जबानों में बोलेंगे। मगर पहले तो मैंने एक एंकर को अंग्रेजी जबान बोलने के लिए रखा था, उसके बाद नैयर साहब को मदऊ करना पड़ा। नैयर साहब उर्दू के हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट हैं लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी में सर, और बहुत आला दर्जे के एंकर हैं। मोस्ट रिस्पेक्टेड मिस्टर गोपाल कृष्ण गांधी, Mr. Harish Khare, Mr. Vinod Dua, and members of this distinguished audience. My words are welcome. My words of welcome are no formality today. Every function begins with words of welcome, which sound slightly hollow and just a formality. But my words are not at all hollow. They are full of sincerity, let me tell you, and gratitude. When I look at this audience on a day when till the morning the rains had flooded the streets, you people still waited for the evening. And it is really overwhelming to be with great men like Mr. Gandhi and with journalists who have never allowed their pen and words to stray from the straight path, from the path of honesty. And when I face you, this packed audience, I am full of emotions which I cannot describe. The function, dear friends, is no celebration, but a memorial for a brother, for a husband, for a father, for a friend, for a colleague, for a man who could not see his children grow, for a genius who could not see his talents bloom, for a journalist who loved his profession but could not see how the future would mold his pen. Seeing you sitting before me in such large numbers, I feel that you share our emotions and in some way sympathize at least with our determination to keep Usama's name and ideals alive, though it is a tall order. No one's name lives forever, but those who loved the departed can make efforts to keep their ideals alive. The foundation, Mr. Gandhi, was established in 1996, a year after Usama Talha's death, on the suggestion of Mr. Khushwant Singh, who was our friend and a kind of guide and philosopher. He remained the patron of the society till his death. With his help, we steered our way through the years. The first function was presided by him, and then he remained present at all other functions. Dr. Manmohan Singh and Mr. Inder Gujral were the great names who were the chief guests. Barkha Dutt, Pinky Veerani, and Tavleen Singh were among the awardees. I do not want to dwell on the past anymore. With Mr. Gopal Krishna Gandhi, the chief guest today, we have a lot to look forward to, a lot which will keep us involved in the present. But I will request to Mr. Gandhi to give me a minute or two to allow me to tell you some of the objectives which Surabhi has already told. First of all, Education is what we want